Want to create a modern interactive business team slide in PowerPoint? Start with a clean slate. Go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and draw a large rounded rectangle across the bottom half of your slide. Next, head back to Shapes and grab the Circle tool. Draw a perfect circle, align it over the bar, then duplicate it until you have 4 evenly spaced profile placeholders. Select all 4 circles together with the background shape to unify the layout. Change the circle fills to transparent and give them a vibrant yellow outline. Adjust the alignment so everything sits cleanly on the slide. Now, add your main heading at the top, along with text boxes for member names and descriptions below each circle. Duplicate this base slide so we can create individual highlight views for each team member. On each duplicated slide, scale up one specific profile circle and enlarge its details to highlight that person. Finally, select all slides, head to the Transitions tab, and enable the Morph transition. There you have it, a dynamic professional team display.
ProDocs Studio, where elite designs meet corporate strategy.